Hello out there everyone on YouTube. Today I have another tutorial for you, another how-to video. This is NoLove Gaming. Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I stream from my PlayStation 4 to YouTube. First off, what you're going to want to do is obviously make sure you have created a YouTube page, and what you want to do is make sure you turn it into a channel. What you want to do is make sure that you're logged in. You're going to go to YouTube settings right there. See that little icon there? Click on that. And when you click on that, it's going to give you an option somewhere around here to make a YouTube channel. After you've made your YouTube account and you've turned it into a channel, next thing you want to do is turn on your PlayStation 4, and what you're going to do is hit the share button, and you're going to go down to sharing and broadcast settings. At the bottom it says link with other services, and you're going to link to YouTube. So once you press on link to YouTube, it's going to ask you to sign in. So what you're going to do is use whatever account that you've made and turned into a channel, and you're gonna sign in using that username and password. Then it's going to ask you to allow, so hit the allow button. Alright, so here we go. Today I will be live streaming Final Fantasy X, and what I'm going to do is on my controller I'm going to hit the share button, and I'm going to broadcast gameplay. Click on YouTube. Wait for this to come up. Alright, so now I'm going to come up with a title for this. I've changed the name of this to Final Fantasy X Remastered Live Stream. Privacy, we have it set as public. Anyone can watch this. Tags, what automatically come up for tags for this is, you know, PS4 Live, PlayStation 4, Sony Interactive Entertainment, Final Fantasy X/10 Part 2 HD Remastered. Those would automatically come up. Plus I have my gamer tag Ujiro11 also come up. You can add more tags in here. You can send an invitation to players. You can share this link on Facebook. I'm not doing that. This link automatically goes to Twitter for me, and obviously to YouTube. Then you want to hit start broadcasting, and the whole audio thing, little warning pops up. I hit start broadcasting anyway. Alright, so now it's broadcasting, and you see the live streaming option over here. Click on that, and up here, here's the stream right here. Click on that. Alright, so I'm live streaming already. I'm probably gonna have people in the lobby, so I'll go to view on page, and I'll open that up in another window. Alright, so this screen it automatically goes to, but what I do first is go to info and settings. Alright, so here's my title, here's the description, and here's some tags that are already on there. I'm going to add more tags by going to import. I'm using TubeBuddy to do this, so I already have tags for this video set here. Press insert, and it automatically puts all my tags in there. That's the good thing about TubeBuddy. Now I'm going to add a couple of additional tags that's more specific to this video. I think that's good for now. Hit save changes up there. Then I'm going to go to monetize, click on usage policy, and select monetize in all countries. Save changes. Go to advanced settings. I'm already under gaming for category. So gaming title, I'm gonna type that in. Save changes once again. Now I'm going to go to this settings up here. And I'm gonna change my thumbnail. I'm gonna hit browse to change my thumbnail. Done that. Save changes. Now I'm gonna go to live control room because I just like to go in here and insert an ad real quick. And then that's done. That is it for that tutorial.